Hey, welcome back to Bazai channel. Today I'm going to walk you through why we need Agentic RAG. Agentic RAG is not just a future, it's a paradigm shift in enterprise AI, transforming systems from simple retrievers into capable self-correcting researchers through autonomous agent orchestration. Why is agentic RAG the future of RAG? Let's understand. The native or traditional or naive RAG or normal RAG, which we use for archival or knowledge and documentation generation, works like it's going to extract the data, provide to LLM along with private knowledge, and the model uses it to summarize and generate the response. That is the traditional approach, and it's inherently passive. It follows a linear pipeline. You build a pipeline, provide a data, chunk it, embed it, store it, and then retrieve through prompts. That's why the traditional RAG has major problems. That is, it doesn't provide a real reasoning capabilities. In short, we are working with multiple technologies and interacting with different data sources. You need to active reasoning with traditional RAG can't be handled effectively. So when we are working with a multiple data sources in production and a complex environment, the native or traditional RAG will not gonna be active solution for it. So the agentic RAG is perfect in terms of generating answers. A sophisticated system is required to orchestrate the retrieval in an autonomous loop, not just one time extraction. Handling complex questions required not information retrieval, but also intelligent reasoning and self correction. When we generate results, you need to validate them, refine them to ensure accuracy. Another key requirement is multi-source synthesis. Data doesn't comes from just one database or one document. You need web data, APIs, internal systems, and all this ability to synthesize all of them. We need a dynamic strategy that ensures contextual, high quality retrieval. So you think agentic RAG as a thinking brain. It consumes multiple sources of information, synthesize them, and represent them in a structured and intelligent way. If you look at a traditional RAG, the major limitations are first, it's hallucination. There's a two critical problems if you go with traditional RAG. Hallucination is a major concern in a traditional RAG. The system tried to retrieve the information once and then model generate the output, but it produced a vague, incorrect, or incomplete answer, and there is no mechanism to self-correct it. The second, there is no multi-source interactions. It doesn't effectively combine the vector database, real-time data, and live system. There is no awareness, no feedback loop. So the traditional RAG is just a straight line approach. So it's not able to handle the complication, the complexity of the modern day needs. An agentic RAG, it's a thinking brain, had a dynamic autonomous loop. It it's kind of things like a brain that do multi-strategic decisions. that's called as a planner. The second one is tool layer, which connect the multiple data sources and execute the task. The third one is a feedback loop, which evaluates, reflect, and refine the continuously. It's gonna goes think the feedback loop whether the answer is right or not, and it's generate the answers not gonna be immediately. It's instead of it's gonna goes and use LLM as a reasoning engine and a strategist, and then ask it how to break this complex things. It breaks into smaller tasks, select appropriate tooling capability, orchestrate them, and adapt the strategy. It's gonna gives you a proper results. So it's maintain the across the session dynamically and extract the information. It use tools as its own arsenals to get the latest information and the accurate information. Those tools do web searching, APIs, vector-based databases altogether. It continuously ensure the self-correction and reflection. So the feedback loop it's keep on runs and system keep on evaluate, retrieve the data, and check the relevance of the data, identify the gaps, and refine that approach. It's like you are reformulating the queries. How many times it's required the necessary information, it goes back and fetch it. That's where the intelligence comes in. It's create that intelligence in a routing strategy that can solve the complex problems without hallucination. And if you think about having a multi-agent system instead of single generalized agent in your team, you have multiple agents where each agent has a distinct role. As a research agent, gather the data from the PDFs, webs, and systems. Critic agent validate and cross-check facts. Verify the agent, assure the correctness. Synthesizer agent structure the final output. We call them as a team. The research agent, well, the researching part, verifiers, validating it, synthesize, structure the final output. They collaborate a team, a real organization, how a team works collaboratively, iteratively, improve the results over that. This leads to lower hallucination rate, better handling complications from implementing easy, higher scalability. We can use Agentic RAG as a thinking brain in a real world multi-agentic complex system. We can use it a significantly a different way of like problem approaching. We can use different tools for building the agentic RAG, but LlamaIndex and LangChain and LangGraph are the best in terms of like retrieving the data centric application. LlamaIndex is best in data centric application with complex indexing needs. It improves high level abstracting and efficient query routing. LangChain and LangGraph are better for workflow centric systems where you need to custom orchestration, state management, and multi agent execution. LangGraph enables a cyclic workflows, meaning the system can itself correct continuously, not just follow the fixed chain. When compared when comparing frameworks, LlamaIndex excel in index management and data handling. LangGraph excel in workflow flexibility and agent orchestration. So data-heavy systems use LlamaIndex. Workflow-heavy systems use LangGraph. Now let's look at real enterprise impact. Agentic RAG enables a complex financial analysis, technical troubleshooting systems, enterprise knowledge assistance. It can reduce the resolution time significantly and improve the output quality. This is not theoretical. These systems are already delivering the business value. Faster insights, higher accuracy, new capabilities that were not just possible before. If you want to build enterprise grade AI system, Agentic RAG is the way forward. Hope you find this valuable. Now, I would love to hear from you. What kind of Agentic RAG system are you building? Thank you. Thanks for watching.